Hi, shalom, shalom. So, today, it's a nice weather outside. So, I am here in my room and I close it because the sun will tap on inside and it will be very hot here. So, I would like to share because there are many, especially in the nowadays, there are many who are taking suicide, they die themselves. Panic attack and anxiety, stress, pressure, ang dami, 'di ba? And mostly we are all this yung mga depende sa situation. Yung mayroong mga sakit, mayroong takot, fears, all these are negative emotions. So, alam nyo, hindi ako makapagsalita dito pag hindi ko na-experience ang mga ganyan nga mga bagay. So, we need healing in ourselves. So, healing. Kailangan natin ng healing in ourselves. So if we want to be healed sa ourselves, there's simple thing we can do is to let go. You know why? Because you have to understand that tayo as human being, as this tayo ay we are dual person. Well, dual inside. And then it needs healing because this is from our childhood and how we've been brought up from this physical world. So and especially we are nowadays is really we have a spiritual battle that we have to fight, not outside but to fight inside. We have to win inside. That is the between in us, because this is also if you are yung sa loob mo, you are healed, hindi ka na ma-affected sa anong mga pangyayari sa labas. You know how to control yourself. So, yung mga yung kailangan mong i-tune mo ang sarili, kailangan mo ng balancing sa sarili natin. Kasi pag hindi tayo balance, ang mangyari yan is distraction yan. Kasi kahit hindi yan, kailangan kung is not in one time ma-master mo yung sarili mo. Hindi. Kasi dito sa world, sa mundong ito, darating talaga yan. Darating talaga yung mga all the pressure, all the negative emotion will impact in yourself. Because it hits from here. So pag hindi mo alam how to win the tactics, how to control those around you, people around you, and this is, people around you, whatever in your cases, sa religious group ka pa, or wherever you are a free person, or you are in the society, kahit saan ka pa, andyan yan. Nakabuntot yan sa atin. Alam nyo ba bakit? Kasi sa mundong ito, we are not yet, this need a restoration from our soul, from all the environment, from all the system of this universe. Why? Because in behind of that, lalo na sa situation natin ngayon, everything is been manipulated by the ego of man. So the ego of man, what will destroy this creation of God? Destroy with the creation of God. Kasi ang tao, naging, because of the ego of man, wants to go above God. But you will see that it's already happened. It's already happened last 2020. That everybody must be in their control. So how does it know? Do you know what is that? It is yung hindi na kayo makapasok sa lugar and you have to stay at home. That is, it's already happened. And they have planned another one again, and I don't know when. That's why we have to prepare ourselves. We have to prepare yourself. Because, in the healing, myself, I am I believe God, and I believe the whole Bible, and the foundation of it is from the words of the Torah and to the Messiah. Messiah that you call Jesus, and we call it Yeshua because he's a Hebrew man. So, and we are studying with this called Tikkun Hanefesh, the restoration of the soul. So, yung sarili natin, marami tayong mga fears around us, with people, with financially, people, because we have fear. Ano bang fear mo? Ayun, because our mind is projecting what is future. So pag thinking for your future, because that is our nature as a human being, driven by our human nature. That is how we are created. Kaya as I said, we are duality. So in order to have these two in harmony, kailangan natin ng balance. Kasi pag hindi tayo balance sa sarili natin, is what happen is ourself ma-imbalance siya. Pag what happen, you create diseases kung imbalance ang mindset natin. Ma-imbalance ka sa mindset mo, mag-create ka talaga ng sakit. So you have to control with that. We need control in this world. Our emotion. We have to control our emotion. Hindi yung masyadong masaya, hindi yung masyadong malungkot. Kasi pag hiwa ka sa in the middle of that, you must to be follow the middle of that. To be in harmony from above to below. Be even with yourself. Pag hindi ka yan balance, ang mangyari talaga yan, magkikreate talaga ng sakit sa tao. So, kailangan ng balance yan. So, pag hindi tayo balance sa sarili, so this is why we are very powerful human created by God. But, unfortunately, this physical body is already condemned. But, it's not condemned in when we are in Yeshua HaMashiach. Yeshua the Messiah. With you are not condemned if you enter to the covenant with Him. So and there are many misinterpret the we call it in the Hebrew Brit Kadasha or the New Testament, what the work of Yeshua is. Many misinterpret, because this Bible is a Hebrew. So we have to go in the Hebrew mindset to understand that. But it's a very powerful teaching what Yeshua and all his followers especially for the first. Yeshua came for the house of Israel, and then for the nation, because it's written, everything is for those who who are not a native born. Of course, we are native, we are from the nation, or maybe you are from the lost sheep of house of Israel, want to join in. We need to apply that is for everybody. One rule of, there is a one law, one rules in the household of God. So, and the problem is, this is not applied for many, because why? We are all broken vessel, and we need to work on that. So, as long as we still have not repaired with ourselves, we will remain this in our, hindi ka talaga maiwasan na hanggang buhay tayo, hindi na yan maiwasan natin ang mga negativity. Kasi yan is part of our from this physicality. It is part of that. So, kaya when people say alam nilang lahat, no, you don't know anything. You don't know anything. We don't know anything. I'm not pretending. I'm sharing what I understood and what's going on in this world. We have a spiritual battle, and this spiritual battle can only be win inside in us. We have to win inside first before you can defeat the outside, because it's not that this is what Yeshua teach, that when he want to revenge to the one who I think is Peter was when he was waiting and about to yung gusto niyang mag-revenge, but he said, you don't do by the sword, because it will also come to you by the sword. So this is how you see there is something there. It's deep, but you don't reply that in that way, because it's not the way to reply. This is why, because that is a negative emotion. You want to revenge, it's not the way to revenge for that. It's not the way to revenge by what others doing to you. You reply what others bring you hurt in yourself. No, it's not the way. It is to you yourself to learn to put boundaries in yourself, so that you can be you cannot be do not let all these people what is the negativity impact in yourself. You have to keep distance with that. And it cannot, sometimes, mostly we are not prepared for that, because sometimes we are attracted from their negativity. I have, of course, why? Because we have also as I said, we are dual person, and this flesh is also biting back for the others. But to learn the good example of our Master Yeshua, never speak. Silent ka lang. In order to have everything is, you are in your tuning person. You are not defeated from all this negativity from outside. You see, this is how you win yourself. That you can stand alone in yourself, and you cannot be defeated, because that is a different reaction in yourself. Yung hindi ka na matablan sa mga other, when people, you are hurt by their action, by their behaviors, which you don't like, hindi ka na matablan sa ganyan. But it is a process of life. You have to come to that point na maintindihan mo. Kasi pag hindi natin maintindihan yan, is only cause suffering talaga. Suffering, and it's not good from our well-being. Not good for our self, in our physical well-being. Kasi it will give you sickness talaga. So, whatever we put in the mind, whatever we put in our mouth, we put inside in the body, whatever is not good for the body, we really have to take the consequences of that. Because especially when you don't know, you're ignorant, you see, you're ignorant and you are late, alam mo, na learn mo. So, in the lessons comes when you will understand. So, this is why everything what is mga encountering natin, it is for our good. It is for our good to grow up. Pag hindi ka mag-grow up, para yun, you keep always complaining and accusing others, ang mangyari niyan is you will never grow. And it will always, you are turning in your life like this. You will turning in your whole life. Babalik yan. Babalik talaga yan. Pag hindi mo alam paano, pag hindi ka mag-grow sa journey mong ganyan. Mag-journey tayo kasi yung age natin tataas. And then, in our journey of life, matagpuan mo talaga yan. Magbabalik-babalik yan. So that you have to question why you are encountering this kind of situation, kasi kailangan we have to be objective sa atong self, that we have na something to repair. To repair, it's not for you, it's not for others. The problem, it is also in ourselves. Pag mayroong problema, because body must go relax. It's not be in the force, it's not be in the in stress, because if it is so, you're in balance. So ang mangyari talaga niyan is just breaking all your day. Masisira lang talaga ang araw mo pag ganyan ang mangyari sa sarili natin. So kailangan natin ng balance. So we'll have to learn to keep to guard ourselves, to put boundaries in ourselves, frame with yourself from all what is negativity outside, so that para hindi ka it doesn't matter. Everybody has his own. So kahit mga anak pa mo yan, mga sa pamilya po, sa pamilya mo yan, yeah, it can happen talaga. Kaya lang, sometimes, it's really not easy, because, when you are still not matured and may mga anak ka na, and you don't know how to teach them the way. Because, the problem in our days is, iba yung tinuturo ng mga tao yung about sa school. Alam niyo ba, mag-iisip ka ng schooling, ewan ko na lang, wala ko niyang ganyan sa mga school na yan, kasi hindi ako nakatapos hindi ako tapos sa college ko. So, life, my destiny was not there. So, kahit anong pang kurso sa buhay mo, pag hindi ka yung totoong course mo is to learn the life, what is a true life. Yung course lang yan, pang yan yung fertility yan, yes, it's good to finish your study and then you can go for work. It's good if that is your destiny. Pero hindi nangyari sa akin yan So, but, may natapos man, pero hindi yung talagang in the high, achievement, like all this bachelor. So, it's just something in the lower, what I finish. But, ito, iba-iba ang destination ng tao. But, that is only part of your journey of your soul. the part journey of your soul. So that we have to, kasi sa time na ngayon, we're in the last hour, kailangan na talaga ng, is no more in this material world. Di na yan. Hindi na yan. We are preparing, this is a time to prepare with our spirituality, which is beyond from what is physicality. Because if it is not learning from that, especially in our soul, then it's if you believe the Bible, it will be a time to reckoning, and a time will be opening of the book. Opening of the book if you what you have done on this earth. So kaya yun, we need what is in the positive way. Kasi yung mga tao ito lang masasabi ko, yung mga tao praying God like that, thank you Lord, but after that hindi nila na-realize, after that doon anong ginagawa nila? Magagasip sila, mag-lie sila sa ibang tao, may tinatago sila, hidden, ganon, may tinatago sila, ayun. Ang sasabihin mong mabigla ka sa anong mangyari sa sarili mo? Bakit nangyari sa sarili mo? No! Because what you are doing to others, what you are doing to yourself, if you lie to yourself, and you lie to others, sa tao, and you are not true to yung kapalang mukha mo, mag-face ka dyan, tapos may tinatago kang, hindi mong nag-ano ka, backbiting ka, o tapos may hypocrite yan hypocrisy yan and yun, that is, you show you who you are, kasi, pag ganyan ka, you are lying to yourself, but, wag ka mag-expect ng good blessing, pag ganun ang sarili mo. Don't expect for good blessing pag ganun ka sa sarili mo. Kasi that is what you are sowing to yourself. Nagsusuka, nagtanim ka ng ganyan. To lie, to gossip, talebearer, ayan, galit. Yan ang ini-invest mo sa sarili mo. If you're investing all negativity in yourself, it will come back to you alone. Yan ang mangyari. It will come back to you alone. Tandaan mo yan. Tandaan natin yan. Kasi talagang mangyayari yan. So if you want to have blessing, positive blessing, good blessing, kailangan mo you have to do good to your fellow people. Wag yung mag-fight ka sa kanila. Kasi yung mga fighting natin sinasabi ko, we are in our journey of healing. But if you are willing to heal yourself, we are our journey of healing. Kaya nangyari yung mga negativity natin sa buhay. I'm not saying I am excused with that. No, I don't want to excuse myself, because we are in that journey to better ourselves, to better ourselves, because we have a battle to face in the day to come. There is a battle, we will not see, because this battle must be start to win inside, not outside. Kung sa outside ka lang, magsige ka lang, magreklamo ka lang sa buhay mo, ganun lang. Yan mga magira, ganun na mga evil ang ginagawa nila, ganun. Yan na lang ang masasabi natin. But, for myself, do you think God doesn't know what He's doing from this His creation? Do you think He doesn't know that? Yes, He knows. He knows. So why don't let them do what they want? And it is God will direct the path for His purpose. No, hindi. Kaya, sa mundong ito, kailangan natin ng a balance of ourselves. A harmony for ourselves. Because kasi itong physical body natin, kailangan ito ng harmony. Harmony nga pang creation kay God yung sa ilalim natin, yung mga how this function well ang sa kumakain tayo, yung pag-digest, pumunta sa sa stomach natin, and then it will go to the nutrients, how it is processed inside, and then go exit for the what is toxic, what is dirt, yun ay palabas, at what is to be keep and to give nutrients to our body, sustain our body, those who are what we eat. So this is also impact yan. Whatever you put in the mouth, whatever what you hear here, whatever you put in your thoughts, whatever you absorb in what you see in their eyes, and you absorbs in your thoughts, if it is that is negativity or is positivity, it will always affect ang end up yan sa sarili natin. Kasi ano tayo we are really a big magnetic magnetic. It depends how you magnet yourself, positivity or negativity. So yan, every of that there is consequences. So yan lang masabi ko, and have a good day for this day. Shalom, shalom.